Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can use WebRTC's getUserMedia API to stream your video, to stream a video, to record a video, as well as to share your screen. And we will also see into how to change your size of your window as well. So here, as you can see, I have few buttons and I have two video elements. So first what I'll do is that I'll click on share my mic and camera. So it will ask me for the permission. I'll allow it. Once this stream has started, I can just click on show my video, and it shows my video inside. So I'll just stop this because there is a lot of echoing. So it basically shows my video inside the video tag, like I just showed you. Also you can change the screen size. So if I quickly show the video again, so I'll again have to click on share my mic and camera. I'll click on show my video. So as you saw, I was able to change the screen size as well. Now you can't enter any number inside the screen size. There is a check which I have added, like you can when you start a stream, you get the max height and max width value. You can't change it above that. So as I shown you, like you can change the screen size as well. I know it was not dramatic, some of you might have missed it, but you are able to change the screen size. This change screen size option is not working on Firefox. I don't know why, like I have tried everything. Now the third option which I will show you is start recording. So if I quickly click on start recording, I will first click on share my mic and camera, show my video, start recording, stop recording. So I don't know why this is not working on Safari. Let me just try it on Firefox. So I'll quickly refresh this. I'll click on share my mic and camera, show my video, start recording, stop recording, play recording. As you saw, I was able to record my screen as well. So that is that I will check why it is causing issue on Safari, but like I told you, like this change screen size is causing issue on Firefox. That's why I decided to show on Safari. Now there is another option of sharing your screen as well. So if I click on share my screen, I will again click on share my mic and camera, show my video. Oh, I don't need to show my video. I'll just click on share my mic and camera. Okay, I'll just click on share screen, and here as you can see, it is providing me an option of which screens I want to share. So I'll just click on, I don't know, index.html, which is my VS code. I will click on allow. So here you can see it has started sharing. Now I will just click on stop sharing as well. So this sharing which you see is not visible on this feed, but I will also show you how to make it visible on this feed at the end of the video. So first let's get started on how to do this. I have created a simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript project using Vite. You don't need to use Vite. You can just use normal HTML, CSS, JavaScript. If you are using a web framework, that's fine as well. So first what you will have to do is so this is normal head tag. I am using Bootstrap. You don't need to use Bootstrap, use whatever you feel like. And here I have added this style.css file as well. So I'll quickly show you that. So these are the normal styles which I am using. Again, change it to whatever you feel like. Now here is the button for share my mic and camera. This is for show my video, stop my video, change screen size, and it takes an input of type text, so you can enter whatever you feel like. Then one for start recording, one for stop recording, one for play recording, one for share screen. And here I will come back to this selecting audio input, audio output, video input as well. So I'll come back to this later on. And if you see here I have added this video tag, okay, for our feed, and for their feed this is another video tag. Next I have added all the scripts, so you can just create all the scripts.js, change button, change video size, screen recorder, share screen. So first I will show you scripts.js. So if you go over here, first I have taken our video element by using document.query selector. I have taken two variables. This stream is for like normal, whenever a user asks for your camera, webcam and audio permission, that is this stream, like the ones we were showing inside our video element. And this media stream is for when you're trying to share some screen, like some window. Now first we need to get the get mic and camera permission. So this is how you do it. So you have to use navigator.media devices.getUserMedia, video and audio is true. Now here I will come back to this, what this change button is. So basically when I click on this share my mic and camera, you might have noticed the color of show my video, stop my video changes, because only when I give audio web video permission, then I can click on show my video or stop my video, right? So that's what this change button does. It changes the color of the button, that's it. I'll come back to this in a bit. Next is show my feed. So once we get this stream, then we are assigning this src object to our stream. So whatever video tag we have, dot src object equal to stream. Now we can get a list of streams if you want to see, tracks, using stream.getTracks if you are curious. Again, then we are changing the buttons, okay. And for stopping your feed, first again we are checking if there is any stream or not. If yes, then we get all the tracks and stop all the tracks. So typically a track would be a video track and audio track. And again we are changing the colors. Next I have created one document selector, click listener, for get mic and camera. So if you see, this is for that. For share button, for show video we are calling show my feed, stop video we are calling stop my feed. So stop my feed and show my feed. Next here we are calling change size. So whenever you call change size, we are doing change video size. I'll show you that function in a bit. Similarly for start recording, we are calling start recording, stop recording we are calling stop recording. I'll show you all this function. And play recording, share screen we are calling share screen. Now the next thing which you can do is okay, so you will have to go to change button.js. so here basically I'm changing the css of our color. So here I have taken all the button by their IDs, like share, show video, stop video, okay. And then we are just mapping over the button by ID and getting the document.get element by ID and assigning this to button els variable. Now whenever you call this change button function, you need to pass array of colors. So that's what we were doing inside scripts.js. so here you can see we were passing an array of colors, and here we are just looping over all the colors. And then depending on what color you have, we just call button els class list dot remove button success. We are removing first all of this, and depending, then if it is a green color, add button success, blue add button primary, gray button secondary, and red. Now these are all bootstrap things, so yeah, be careful, otherwise you can just manually add some colors as well. Okay, so this is done, css part is done. Next what I wanted to show you is change video size. So now this change video size is not working on Firefox, I don't know why. So first to change the video size, but we can get the height and max width, max height from Firefox as well, so that so that a user can't assign some random number to your video while changing the width and height. So first we are getting the supported constraints. okay, navigator.media devices.get supported constraints, and inside change video size we get the video tracks. Okay, we loop through it, then we get the track. Now I decide whether the user is on Firefox or not. If the user is on Firefox, that is true, then we have to call track.get settings. Otherwise, for all other browser we have to call track.get capabilities. Then we need to what we are doing is that we are getting the height and width value which the user has entered over on this input. So I'm just getting those values, and here now to get the max height value as well as max width value, again you have to check whether it is Firefox or not. If it is Firefox, then you have to write capabilities.height, but for all other browser it is capabilities.height.max. Similarly for width as well. Okay, now for applying constraints, here you can see I have applied exact. Okay, so there is this this is how you pass constraints whenever you are changing width and height. So if the user input height is less than the max height value, then use the user input height, otherwise use the max height value. Similarly we are doing for width as well, and then we are just applying those constraints. All right, okay, so next we have screen recorder.js. so here we have first created a media recorder as well as a recorded blobs. So once here if you go to start recording function, if the stream is not equal to empty, sorry, if the stream is empty, then we are saying no stream and returning it back. Here we are assigning our recorded blocks, we are creating our media recorder, we are assigning our stream to it, then we are doing media recorder dot on data available, and we are pushing all the blobs to our recorded blobs, and then we are just starting media recorder dot start. Again we are changing the button color over here. For stopping the recording, we are again checking if media recorder is present, then only stop it, change the button colors, otherwise just display no media recorder. And for playing the recording, we are again checking if recorded blobs variable has some values. If yes, then pass it, then create a new blob, get hold of our other video, like this video, this one, and here you can just assign this src value to your video element, like window.url.create object url, and pass your blob to this, and controls have set it as true, and it will automatically play it. And again I'm changing the button color, and here alert no recording save. Now coming back to ShareScreen.js. so to share the screen, firstly you will have to create options. So video true, I have kept audio as false. If you want audio, keep it as true as well. Then surface switching, I have kept it as include. The values are either include or exclude, so use whatever you feel like. Then here I have created our media stream. So media stream variable we had created inside scripts.js, so over here. And here if we get the media stream, we just assign it, otherwise we log a console error and change the button color. Now suppose if you want to display this screen recording as well on inside your screen, so what you could an easy way is, inside show my feed I can simply do media stream and assign this to media stream. Okay, so I'll just quickly refresh this. I'll click on show my mic and camera, then I will click on share screen, scripts.js, allow. Okay, this is not working, let me check and get back to you. Guys, it was a silly mistake on my part, I forgot to press the button. So here you can see inside scripts.js, instead of stream I am using media stream for showing my feed, and inside src object I am also assigned it to media stream. Okay, make sure you are using media stream both over here. Then what I'll do is that I'll just click on share screen, I'll pick a window, I'll just select my VS Code, I'll click on allow. Okay, next you also have to click on show my video, right? So if I click on show my video, here you can see my VS Code is been displayed, and if I like as you can see, if I type something, as so yeah, that's also visible. Okay guys, so for that start recording and playing recording feature which was not working on Safari, that feature itself is not supported by Safari as of me recording this video in 2024. Maybe by the time you watch it, it might be available. So again, I have reverted the changes. So instead of using media stream, I have just using stream, and inside for src object I'm also assigning it to stream. Now I'll just wanted to show you that error. If I click on share my mic and camera, I'll click on allow, I'll click show my video, and next I'll just click start recording, I'll click stop recording, I'll click play recording. So as you can see, it is giving me an error, unhandled promise rejection, not supported error. The operation is not supported. So yeah, we can't do much about it. We just have to be at the mercy of Apple whenever they decide to implement it. Guys, so the next part is getting the audio input, audio output and video input. So I'll quickly refresh my screen and I'll just click on share my mic and camera. And as soon as I do that, here you can see this audio input, audio output and video input are pre-populated. Also I'm displaying those inside my console. So if you want, you can change these values to whatever you feel like, and once you change this value, again you will have to click on show my video, otherwise those effect won't take place. So it's up to you on how you want to do that. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first what we will have to do is, you will have to go to, so I'll quickly refresh this. So first what you will have to do this, inside index.html I have added this script of input output.js. Now the important thing to note is this only works in secure context. That means you require a web server, so it can work either on localhost or it can work either on HTTPS. So if you are using normal HTML, CSS, JavaScript without a web server, I think there is a VS Code extension called live server. You might use that to quickly resolve your issue. Otherwise you will have to use a web framework or a web server to handle that. Next, inside input output.js, if you go over here, I am first getting our audio input, audio output and video input, all this these things. Okay, next I'm getting the devices, so I'm calling navigator.media devices.enumerate devices. Now this is called in a secure context only, so localhost or HTTPS. Then we are just looping over it. We are creating an option inside this like this, so as many options as we have. So if and then we are assigning the value as device.id and the label as device.label, text as device.label, value as device.id, device.device id, sorry. And if it is an audio input, I'm assigning it to audio input element, otherwise audio output element, and for video input I'm assigning it to video input element. Now for changing video input, so suppose if you have multiple video inputs and if you pick one from the drop down, then we just get the device id using event.target.value. We assign the new constraints of audio true, video device equal to exact device id, and then we update our stream which we had defined it inside scripts.js. So this stream which we get from after granting video audio permission, that gets updated. And similarly for audio output, you just have to call video element.setSyncID, pass event.target.value, and for changing the audio input, again we get the device id. Now if you are confused how we are getting device id, if you remember, we are assigning the value option.value equal to device.device id. So that's how we are getting event.target.value, and here we are just applying our new constraints and updating our stream. Now we are also calling this get devices over here as soon as we give the get mic and camera permission, video and camera. So we are just calling this get devices over here. Also at the very bottom I have also added this query selector as well. So in case audio input is selected, change audio input is called, audio output, change audio output, video input, change video input is called, so on and so forth. So just to show it to you for the very last time, so if I click on share my mic and camera, I can just open the console as well, and I don't have anything for audio input. I can just select MacBook Air microphone, and here inside audio output I can just select MacBook Air speakers. For video I don't have anything, and I can just click on show my video. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for